Hello everyone and welcome to your second Adobe Photoshop tutorial, the interface. In this tutorial, we will see what are all these windows and panels opened up over here. So let's start. First up, on the top left corner is the menu bar. File, Edit, Image, Layer, Select, Filter, View window help. Now, what is the use of all these? We will learn in the next tutorial. For now, let's move on to the next is the toolbar. Over to the left, what you see is the toolbar. It contains all the tools that are essential for editing or creating any type of document. It is divided into several parts. As you can see, the first part here, this is the second part, this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. Now, why is the toolbar divided into 4 parts? What Photoshop offers is that it has categorized the type of tools into sections. So the first section over here, that is the first category, and this category is the selection. So all the tools needed for any type of selection are over here. The second category is the manipulating or the editing. So in order to edit or create any image or drawing or painting, all these tools can be used. For example, we have the brush tool over here, which can be used to paint. Moving on to the third category. This is the third category. Now, there are 2 names by which you can refer this. First is the path category, because all these tools here can create a path. But a more appropriate name would be vector category, because all the things created from this section of the tools create vector images. For example, the pen tool over here creates vector paths, the text tool creates vector text, and so on. And the fourth and the last section is the navigation section. In this section, this category has the tools that we need to navigate through our canvas or through our image. The hand tool helps to move, zoom tool helps to zoom in and out, and we can set the color of all the tools that we are using from here. Next up is the workspace. What you see over here on the top are the workspaces. Now, workspace is basically a specific setup of windows and panels. So each workspace has different specific setup. For example, the essentials is this one currently. The design, as you can see, the panels changed over on the right. The painting, the panels changed even more. We have more, that is the photography, new in CS5. For now, let's just leave it at essentials. Now, these panels on the right, we will learn about them in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.